So in this video, we're going to look at construction management as a method of procurement. So what is construction management as a method of procurement? Well, it's a way of you operating your development project without the need for a main contractor. It's a method of procurement, a system, a process that you as a developer can go through to allow you to save time, to save money, and to take back control from needing to use a main contractor. Now, this is a strategy for people who are already developing. You see, it's not a starter strategy. If this is your first step into development, I would get my head around the concepts of property development first. Be aware of construction management as a possibility, but get your head around the basic principles of development before we look at construction management. But if you're undertaking and you're already into your development career, if you've carried out some small developments, if you're looking to scale up, for sure, this is the way to do things when it comes to delivering the construction of your project on site. See, the traditional way of doing things was to use a traditional JCT building contract or a design and build contract. And that's quite an old way of doing things. And when it all goes wrong, you're left with one contract, with one entity, with one main contractor. And ask any developer that's ever been in a situation where their main contractor has gone bust. It creates a big problem. A lot of headache, a lot of worry, a lot of stress. And that can all be provided by implementing and setting your business up, your development business, to operate with a construction management model of procurement. So why should you do that? Well, it's going to manage your risk. It's going to save you time. It's going to save construction costs, quite a bit of construction costs. You see, when you have a main contractor involved, we've all seen a line that comes in on their quote that says preliminaries, prelims as we know it. And it seems to be a figure that's made up, and most of the time it is. Some contractors work in a scientific way where they have a percentage of construction costs as prelims. Others have a list of set items that they never purchase but they charge you for. And that's just the reality of contracting and the old model of construction. Now, you don't need to accept that. By using a construction management method of procurement, you have control of those small items. You have control of the prelims and you have control of what happens on your development, and you can save considerable costs. Because not only does the main contractor add prelims, each subcontractor in their supply chain will most likely allow a percentage of the cost for prelims. And you cannot challenge that. It's only your main contractor that can challenge that, and they most likely will not challenge it. So as a construction management company, as a construction management setup, you have the ability to chase the money down the supply chain and identify those possible savings as you go.